Christmas, me homies. Christmas in the house, and I am in the public lobby because I'm way too scared to see this. So let's just do something. As you can see, the friend request machine's right here. And we also over there is my favorite Christmas Grill Tag update, the train. Yep, my favorite. Find the train, grabbed it, you become teeny tiny. You had to leave to become big.
1 hour later.
Almost there. Almost there. Ah! Hey. Okay, we didn't see those candy kings, but I like candy kings. Alright. J-Man Curly! My favorite YouTuber, J-Man! J-Man! J-Man Curly! $40. Too expensive. What's up there? A new badge! Zero shiny rocks! How do I look? It looks great. I'm gonna wear the other. I'm gonna wear the party hat. I'm sorry. Whoa! What's going on? What is this? It doesn't look like me. Spider! I hate spiders. What is this? What is it? An elephant. Can I grab this thing right there? Whatever it is. Sticks. Can I give you this stick? Okay. What the? Hi people. May I tase you with this? Okay. I can't taste it. So I'll squeeze it. What the? Get me out of there! There's poops in here. Ugh. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh. Wait, who are you? You're locked in. I'll get you out with this stick. May I have this shaving razor? Ooh, an ice cream. We want ice cream? Aww. You're happy. Let me just get you out of here. Oh, okay. Let me see. There's flies. There's spiders. What do you think of it? Yeah, get spider. Give me that. What is this? Stop. Give me that. What is this? Cream? Get cream. Get cream. Yeah, get cream. Get spider. Get spider. Okay. Just tase them. Yeah, tase. Get tased. Even you. Scream. Get out. Alright. Hey, 117 or tase! Yeah, okay, cream and taste. Yeah. He got a bat. She got a bat. You got a gun? Get tased! Give me that gun. Hold it. Kids, don't play with guns. They're dangerous. And yeah, they're not appropriate for children's. So don't play guns. Just don't play guns. Even don't play BB guns. Well, kind of. Back to the video. Now, since I have this SMG, I can finally shoot people with it. Alright. need to find a key for this little monkey. Hey, wait, what is that? Is that a secret formula from SpongeBob? Give me that. Hey, Mr. Krabs wanted it. Give me that. You. Wait, is that a burger? I can't eat it. Won't you eat it? What? Here, have some burger. Oh, I can't fit in this cage. Give me that. Give me the banana. The banana. Give me that bit. Get out of my way. Give me that. Get ice cream. Give me that ice cream. Get headshot. Headshot. Take that horse mask off. Here's your ice cream. Still need to get you out. But how? Oh, Santa hat. I can't wear that. Wait, can I feed the carrot with the baby? Let me see. Will he get out? Will he get out? You want to know if you... What? There you go. Give me that carrot. There you go. That's so good. But we need to get you out. Let me try to use a stick again. Oh, a turkey leg. Wait, what is that? Wait, is that a healing gun? I can use that. Wait, what is that? Give me that. A cheeseburger. Hey. You want? Yeah. Get cream. Get pink eyes. Yeah, get pink eyes. Pink eye. Yeah, get pink eye. You want? Get taste. Oh, what is that? Is that powerful punch? Yeah, get taste. Yeah, get taste. You want to get taste? Yeah, get taste. Yeah, run away. Now, use this for something. And a healing gun and a tase. She got an astronaut helmet. May I have it? What is that, hairspray? Give me that astronaut helmet. Thank you. I can't wear that. Get tased. You. Is that a grenade? Give me that. You're twirling at me. Yeah, get sprayed. Oh, it's hairspray. Never mind. Get cream. Give me that stick. I'm gonna poke it with this bee on you. Give me that bee. Alright. Get. Is that a magic 8-ball? Give me that. Yeah. Is it gonna explode? Oh, dude. Let me see. I can't wear the astronaut helmet. I'm trying to use a stick. Okay. Here's the stick. Is that an axe? Give me the axe. Give me the axe. Thank you. Ugh. Get Here, have it. Okay, never mind. You, come here. Yeah. Hey, you with the Santa hat. Let's trade. I'll give you this astronaut helmet. Eggs? Is that a cactus? Do you throw me a cactus? I'll throw you a cactus back. Look. What is this? Flamethrower! Here, let's trade. No! Everyone want to trade? Ugh. I hate this. Let's see. Hey, buddy, you want to trade? Okay, let's trade. Say, here, have the astronaut helmet. Who is this? Is this a drill? It's a... No! God! Yeah, get nailed. Get nailed. Alright. Use the SMG! Use the SMG! I need food. Or give the baby food. Water. Get the baby water. Oh. No bowl. A light bulb? No. Oh, fruit. Oh, pineapple. Holy shit, a pineapple up in the sea. Big guy, SpongeBob, big guy, pants. Okay, never mind. Egg? Would you like to eat the egg? Or would you like to eat with shell? A Krabby Patty. A SpongeBob secret formula Krabby Patty. Oh, I break it. Ooh, an egg. Here's an egg, buddy. Oh, he likes it. Broccoli. Everybody hates broccoli, but still. Want some broccoli, buddy? I know you hate it, but still. Here, have some. Here, have some. Here you go. Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh. Okay, never mind. Hey, buddy. Oh, is that a camera? I always wanted a camera. Say cheese. Hey, here. Hey, say cheese. Get shot. Get shot. Say cheese. Oh, wait. Where did this come from? Say cheese. All right. Now get nailed. Now get nailed. Archie. Hey, that's mine. What? Here, have a reindeer hat. Here, have a photo of you. Say cheese. Here, have it back. Is that a French fry? Who threw this? Was it you? Ugh. Say cheese. Well, say cheese. Well, you want to get healed? Here, have some healing gum, buddy. Say cheese. All right. I need to get up there. I think the key's up there, but still. Hey, you guys want a Santa hat? Here, have some Santa hat, buddy. Hey, get flame! Get flame! Get flame, buddy! Get flame! Hell yeah. Get taste too! Get taste! No! Ugh! Well, I'll get eggs. Here, have some eggs, buddy. Alright. Can I throw somebody with it? Ugh! No. In the head. In the head. No, in the head! Ugh! That's not right. Ooh! Hey, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh. Yeah. In your throat. Ugh! Throw some. Hey! Ugh! Give me that thing forward. Give me that thing. Hey! Ugh! Alright. Still need to get out of here. I want some more eggs. Alright. Here, have some more eggs. Here, let's get an egg. Ugh! Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Get bang! Alright. That'll be good. I'm tired. Just kidding! Dang! Is that a turkey leg? Oh. I should feed the baby. Yeah. Have some turkey leg, buddy. It's good, huh? And you! Ugh. Go. I can't wear that glasses either. Here, have some glasses. Oh, he can't wear those things here. Let me try to get him out the stick again. Look, is that fish? Here, have some fish. Who threw that fish? Was it you? Ugh. If I ever throw something at me again, I'm gonna throw this brick at him. Alright. I'm getting more fruits. Pear. Alright. No. No. Give me that. Give me an axe. No. Ugh. fish. Yeah, get shot. Get headshot. Here, have some pear. Fish. Here, have some fish too. Here, get some fish. Alright. Will he starve? Will he starve? Don't, definitely not. Flamingos are watching. Okay. Yo, hey, stop! Stop! Hey, give me that grenade. Yeah. Hey, no. Yeah. Alright. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. No, I missed. I missed again. Is that a knife? No. Give me that knife. I need a knife. No. Alright. All out eggs. Nail gun, flamethrower, and an SMG. No! Now time to let you out. No! You're not supposed to get it. No! You want me to take you to the elephant. Hey, what's this? SOS. Oh no, some visitors got rowdy and are attacking a little friend. You gotta protect him. Where is he? Hey, buddy. Hey, chill. I'm gonna protect. Fine. Why are you saying that again? I don't know why. Buddy, you want fish? Okay, I'll send you back to your spot. Alright, say cheese. Hey, give me that knife. Alright. Wait a minute, you're a woman. Women cannot be serial killers. Give me that mask. Yeah. No, knife. Yeah, get pink eye. Get pink eye. I'm gonna broke your blood vessel, wherever they go. Yeah, leave. I'm gonna try to get out and get. Try to do parkour so I can reach the top. Oh, sorry. I'll bring you back. He needs fruit. Carrot, a chili hot pepper, and where that thing is. I need to care for the snowman and the chili hot pepper for the visitors. Hey, wants a chili hot pepper? Here you go. Now to put this note. God, stick drifts. Ugh. No, that's crooked. Alright, there you go. Alright. Oh yeah, oranges. Oranges are protein. Healthy. Alright, more parkour. What? Hey, what are you doing? I said get back in your spot. I know you want to get out. Hey, leave my friend alone. Alright, let's do it. gonna be stuck forever? Ugh. Ugh. Well, this dead mouse. Hey, want some dead mouse? Ugh. Give me the ice cream. Oh, give me that. You want some ice cream? Here you go. Yeah, give me that. I know you have saws, but still. Yeah. I'll break your blood vessel. Yeah. Alright. Give me that flamethrower. Get flared! Give me that Santa hat. Alright. Alright. Say cheese. Alright. Here's your picture of yourself. Grenade. Is it a grenade? Here, give me that. It's a grenade. Want some reindeer? Here. Alright. I need help. What is that? Hey, Mr. Elephant. Phew, I'm all ready. Fame starts with this. Bring any hat. Any hat. Alright. Alright. Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Give me that astronaut helmet. Out. Get out. Leave. Hey. Yeah. Oh. Give me that taser. The cops. It was just a dream.
I need that card, bro.
Well,
There it is. Found it.
I guess that's it. So long, homies. Kristen is out of the house.